Okay, so I wanted to get this garage cleaned up before I started this, but with work and family, I just don't have the time and I'm running out of time. What I have here is my 2x4 for the Summers Woodworking competition. So I'm just gonna work around this messy garage, try and clean off some areas as I go. And do what I can just to get this done. I'm just running out of time. So I have an idea of what I want to do. So hopefully you like this video and hopefully you like this project. finished with my entry for the 2x4 contest. So this is all I have left over after doing the build for the contest. And you can see I even used it for some test cuts and testing the stain. That's all I got. Just finished putting a 4th coat of the fast drying polyurethane. I did stain it with the red mahogany Minwax stain. I think it came out pretty good. I plan on letting this dry for 72 hours and having a light sanding and finish it off with one last coat of polyurethane. But I'm not going to have time to do that before this competition because today is the last day for me to enter it. So this is my video of my build. Hope you liked the video, hope you liked the project. And so here it is.